Alright guys, today I'm going to fix a bumper sag on my truck. I've done worked on it a little bit. But all you need to do to fix a bumper sag, like this one, I just fixed this one, looks a lot better, is I've got this 5/16 rod. You get it at Lowe's, it's like $3 a rod. You gotta get the one that's 3 feet long. And you come down here and you run it through that hole. Run your bolt down there on the edge of the bumper in this hole next to your hood adjustment. But that's a long-winded son-bitch. So instead of putting your nut on the top and working it with a wrench, that's what I got set up. I just took a self-adjusting drill and went ahead and put my thing on there. Let me show you how she works. Go ahead, babe. Hold it for me. Other side. Ready? See? Check that out. And then you can adjust the sag where you need it. Let me go ahead and adjust this one real quick. There we go. Make sure to loosen your your adjustments right here before you start cranking up on it. And there we go. I got the bumper sag fixed, and you can get everything at Lowe's for under $10, and it's a permanent fix. There you go.